Once your samples have been requested, your manufacturer will need to accept your sample order. They will then upload a sample option and here provide any comments associated with that sample order. You should then receive your samples and can give feedback. By the end of this video, you'll be able to open up a dialogue with your manufacturer by uploading sample feedback, give feedback on dimensions and proposed measurements, and approve or reject your samples. To get started, head to the Samples and Approvals dashboard or the Sampling and Approvals tab located within your project. Click on List View. Use these filters to locate projects and samples. You'll be able to find any comments or feedback in the column here. New unread comments will appear in a solid orange chat bubble. If comments have been read, they will appear with an orange outline. The samples you'll need to give feedback on will have a sample option displayed here. In this example, I'll click on Sample Feedback icon as there is a new sample option to view. This will take me into the sample option and feedback area for that specific style. You can view the sample option and details under the image added by the manufacturer. Upload your own image here and add comments for your feedback. To view the images uploaded by the manufacturer, click on the thumbnail image under All Images. To enlarge the image, click on the thumbnail. To download the image, click on this download button here. I'm going to add feedback. So firstly, I'll upload a photo or use the image that the manufacturer has uploaded. I'll click on the plus sign here to add multiple images. To leave a comment, click on the image you have uploaded and a pin will appear. You do not need to pin your comment, but if you wish to pinpoint or refer to something specific, it may be easier for the manufacturer to review. Next, you can add your comments. For example, I'll add, please review this Pantone colour, revert back to original requested. Select which feedback you wish to give in the drop-down and then hit submit. You can upload as many comments as you like. When giving feedback on a sample, make sure that you include key details and specific photos. When you are giving feedback on sizing, we recommend that you specify which size you are commenting on by leaving this information in the comments. If you're reviewing a product sample, you will also need to review the fit log. This is located in the top right of the page. If your sample is not visible here, click on Show Samples tab and select the relevant sample. The manufacturer's dimensions will appear, enabling you to either approve or reject measurements and also leave comments. You will see the manufacturer dimensions appear under the factory column. The dimensions in the brand column are the measurements you originally entered/requested on the platform. In the proposal column is where you'll be able to leave any revisions or proposed measurements for your factory where you have rejected a measurement. I'm going to approve by clicking on the green tick. This means that I am accepting the factory's measurement. To reject a measurement, I'll click on the red cross. This will enable you to enter a new proposed measurement for your point of measure. We recommend adding a comment for your manufacturer explaining why the measurement has been rejected. To bulk approve or reject all measurements, click on Approvals and a drop-down will appear where you are able to select Approve All or Reject All. To add a comment on a specific measurement, click on the comment bubble icon. Add your comment. For example, I will add, please revert back to original spec, not intolerance, and then click Submit to send. You can also use the comments section to record your measurements and share them with your manufacturer. The only measurement that goes in the table should be the proposed measurement, if this is not what the factory has given. We highly recommend you open up the conversation with your manufacturer to find a resolution if sizes or samples are not correct. Something to note, if you have already approved a measurement, you are able to edit your decision, only if a new sample request has not been made. Click on the green tick of the approved measurement and you'll be given the option to reject. You have now input feedback on dimensions for your manufacturer. Please complete your fit log and enter all of your sample feedback before requesting a new sample, as it cannot be edited after sending. If you want to reject or approve a sample for a lab dip, swatch or component, you'll be able to approve or reject your sample in the sample feedback area. If you're unsure whether to approve or reject a sample, if you approve a sample, you are letting your manufacturer know you'd like to proceed to the next round of sampling. By rejecting a sample, you are signifying that you will need another round of the same sample. Please note, for product samples, you can only approve or reject dimensions. To reject the lab dip sample, click on Reject and hit Yes Please to confirm. Or to approve a sample, click on Approve and hit Yes Please to confirm. If you have mistakenly uploaded the wrong sample, you are able to delete the whole feedback. To delete a comment, click on the bin icon next to the comment, which is located below the image you have uploaded. Be aware that your sample feedback and fit log is only submitted to the factory when you request a new sample. You're all done, and next you will need to request a new sample.